Hey, it's part 2 of my review of the Osmo Pocket. Hey, today we're going to delve a little deeper into this new camera by DJI, one of 2 new cameras recently released by DJI, the Osmo Pocket. But before we get into this video, if you like this video or if you've watched videos of mine in the past and you like them, please share this video. Go to my YouTube channel as well, subscribe there, hit that bell notification button so you're notified when I make future videos. So over the last 6 months, DJI has, well, they've kind of treated GoPro like an ex, like they just want to crush them. And it appears, at least on the surface, they're doing a very good job. In the last 6 months, DJI has released 2 cameras, non-drone cameras with very small footprints. The first was the DJI Osmo Pocket, and that's what we're going to talk about today. And the specs on this camera are quite impressive, but the most impressive thing about this camera is quite simply the size of it. I mean, look at it. I mean, just to put this in perspective, let me show you this. Put this in perspective. This is the Osmo Pocket, okay? Okay, and this is my electronic toothbrush. So you're look at that. That's amazing. So with this camera, you can shoot in 4K 60 frames per second. You can also shoot 1080 60 frames per second. But if you want to go slower than that and get, you know, some super slow-mo, there is a slow-mo feature on this camera that allows you to shoot 1080 at essentially 120 frames per second. This camera is packed with cool little features and abilities, like its ability to do time-lapse, hyperlapse. There's a lot to like about this camera. With all the cool features, one of my favorite things about this camera is its quick start time. You kick that bad boy open, in less than 3 seconds, you are ready to record. Bam. I am recording now. Within 3 to 4 seconds, I can turn this camera on and start recording video or capture a snapshot. There's a lot to like about this camera. I think it's time to go play with it some more. So now we're testing this out, the Osmo Pocket, internal microphone still, driving in a golf cart, a lot of wind noise. Let's see how the internal mic picks me up. Look, hey, look right there. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Very loud cars driving by. I'm curious to see how the internal microphone picks up. Still haven't gotten the external microphone adapter, so still rocking the internal mic here on this Osmo Pocket. One thing I have noticed is that the gimbal sometimes has a hard time tracking faces. We'll see how it looks when we get it on a computer and on a TV screen. So I just walked past the house on Shelby Road, and the guy had to put up a sign because someone apparently continues to let their dog poop in their yard and they don't pick it up. If you are out walking your dog and your dog poops in someone's yard and you don't pick it up, what's wrong with you? Pick up the poop if your dog poops in someone's yard. Have some decency. Have some respect. And just understand I have a specific set of skills. If your dog poops in my yard, I will find you. And I will have my dog poop in your yard. I believe you have to use a camera for a while before you can truly understand what the camera can do, what it can do and what it can't do.